Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. This episode is especially designed for hand abacus, where you can learn how to move your fingers on the abacus process by process. I am teaching all Japanese techniques of abacus. Today's episode is add and subtract number by moving 3 beats at once time. So let's start with the French rules. 9 is combination of 5 and 4. 8 is combination of 5 and 3. 7 is combination of 5 and 2. 6 is combination of 5 and 1. First, we are starting with addition. The rule is first add friend 4, 3, 2, 1 by the thumb. Reduce 5 by pointer finger and add 10 by thumb. Suppose, let me clear by using this abacus. Suppose you have 5 on your abacus and we are going to add another 9, this 9. In my 5th episode, we learned a rule how to borrow 10. There we did a technique, reduce 1 and add 10. Suppose if you have 4 on your abacus, to borrow 10, you are adding 9 here. First, reduce 1 and add 10. But here we have 5 values beat is moving, and next we are going to add 9. So we cannot easily reduce 1 value bits from here because we have only 5 value bits. So we are adding 9 here. Here we have 5 on our abacus. We have to add friends first. Friends of 5 of combination this 9, 8, 7, 6. So we have to add these first. So we are adding 9 means we have to add 4 first. So first add 4 here and reduce 5. Reduce 5 by pointer finger and add 10 by thumb. We added here 9. Suppose you have 5. If you are adding 8 here, first you have to add this 3 because 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So first add 3, reduce 5, add 10. This is the formula. One more time, if you are adding 7 from this situation, we have 5 on our abacus. You are adding 7 means first add 2 because 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Add 2, reduce 5, add 10. This is the formula, okay? Next, we are adding 6 in this position. 5 plus 1 is 6, means first 1, reduce 5, add 10. So we added 6 here. Let's move to the subtraction. In the subtraction, first we have to reduce 10 by pointer finger, add 5 by pointer finger and reduce friends, this one, by pointer finger. Let me clear with these examples. Suppose you have 14 on your abacus and you are going to reduce 6 from here. In my 5th episode, I taught you how to borrow 10 for the subtraction. To subtract 6 by borrowing 10, we reduce 10 first, then add 4. But here, we don't have 4 bits value remaining to add. So all 4 bits are moving here. So we can't add another 4 because we have only 5 value here. So in this position we have to apply today's technique, how to subtract number by 3 steps. First, reduce 10 by pointer finger, then add 5 by pointer finger and reduce 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then reduce 1. We reduced 6 from here. We have 40. First we reduce 10, then add 5 and reduce 1 to remove or to reduce 6. So let's move to, suppose we have 14 on our abacus. We are removing 7 here from here. First you have to reduce 10, add 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7, means you have to reduce to last. And your answer is 7. Let's move to another. You have 14 and you are going to reduce 8. First reduce 10, add 5. 8 means 5 and 3, 8. So let's remove 3. And your answer is 6. So we have 14 here. And we are going to reduce 9 from here. First we have to reduce 10, add 5 and 5 plus 4 is 9, means you have to reduce 4. Hope you understand this rule. Next episode I will bring lots of exercises for today's technique. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. I need your comments. How do you like or dislike this video? So see you next episode with lots of finger practice, how to move fingers with these techniques. Namaskar. See you. Bye bye. Sayonara.